It's time for Chef Suzy!
Hi everyone, welcome. It's Chef Suzy and this is my kitchen. And this week we're talking about cauliflower. Cauliflower is a food star. People use it to make mashed potatoes, pizza dough, they even use it to make rice. But today I'd like to tell you what is cauliflower. Cauliflower is an annual plant that reproduces itself by seed. The flower head is the one that's edible, like a vegetable. Cauliflower come in 4 different colors. They come in purple, orange, green, and they come in white. Today, we're gonna be working with a white cauliflower. This right here is a whole head of white cauliflower that I boiled in water for about 10 minutes. After I boiled it in water, then I took it apart and made it into florets. These are little cauliflower florets because we're making a great recipe today. I wanted you to know how to make cauliflower taste so delicious that you'll never forget it. And it's such an easy recipe. So all I'm doing is taking a whole white cauliflower, a half a cup of butter, which I don't know if you know this, but when you see butter in these little pouches, it's already measured for you. This is a half a cup. And I've already put it in here and it's already melting really nice. You can see for yourself. This is how we melt butter. So we're melting butter in this saucepan. Once the saucepan melts the butter, then we're gonna add in a half a box of vanilla wafer cookies. These right here are with vanilla wafer cookies. And I even got the reduced fat version. So these cookies, all you do is put them in a Ziploc and you pound them together with a strong knife or even something in the kitchen and you crumble them and make them into cookie crumbles. That's exactly what I did with a whole half a box of reduced fat vanilla wafers. So once our butter is nice and melted, we're gonna add in these wafers. That's right, it's the whole half a box because we're making a whole head of cauliflower. And trust me, you are gonna love this recipe. You'll wanna make the whole thing yourself too. So I'm gonna move these around. These are the cookie crumbles with a half a cup of butter. And then I'm gonna add in my cooked cauliflower. This is my cooked cauliflower. The cooked cauliflower is then gonna coat itself with all of these delicious cookie crumbles. And while I do this, I'd love to talk to you more about cauliflower. People always wonder, how does cauliflower get its color? Well, the colors come from a great way of flowering. What they do is when they plant these cauliflower, they use a technique which is called, it's a hand pollination technique. And that's how they get the colors. Now the purple one is also known as graffiti and it's got rich tannins and it's so good for your heart. The orange one has a very sweet and mild, and they call it cheddar. That's the nickname for it, cheddar. And the cheddar one right here, it has its color from a genetic mutation and it allows the plant to hold more vitamin A than a white cauliflower. Can you believe that? It's crazy. So I'm coating my cauliflower with all of these cookie crumbs because I want to make sure that you and your family love this recipe. And cauliflower can be so much fun to work with. 3 different ways you can make cauliflower at home. Well, you can make it into a cauliflower mash, potato mash, or you can make it into cheesy cauliflower tots or cauliflower pizza bites. It's up to you, really. The recipes are endless for cauliflower. So I'm coating my cauliflower with these beautiful cookie crumbles, and then I'm gonna put it on a plate and show you it. And it's just so good because it coats. You wanna make sure you evenly coat all of your cauliflower to make it taste delicious. So I'm gonna plate it on this plate for you and show it to you. And this right here, guys, is called cauliflower crunchies. And I hope you and your family enjoy it too, because it sure does taste absolutely delicious. Enjoy, and I'll see you next month.